Did you know that 2 pounds of this bird nest can cost up to $2,900? And harvesting it isn't an easy job? These rare nests are found only on remote islands in Southeast Asia. In the Philippines, harvesters travel by boat to reach these isolated spots. Once they arrive, they walk barefoot across sharp and slippery rocks. To collect the nests, they climb steep cliffs using only bamboo ladders tied with rope, relying on their hands and feet for support. One wrong move could be deadly. After spotting the nests, they spray them with water to loosen and carefully peel them away. The nests are then cleaned and prepared with precision. Made from the hardened saliva of the swiftlet bird, these nests are used to create bird nest soup, a delicacy in China. Would you try this unique dish? Let me know in the comments.